Hello dear traders and welcome back to InstaTV for another release of financial news. Global markets are trading mostly in the red as investors are revisiting their forecasts of the U.S. monetary policy ahead of the congressional testimony by Federal Reserve's Chairman Jerome Powell. The news headlines today are warning that the U.S. is set to default on its debt this autumn. According to a report by the Congressional Budget Office released yesterday, the budget deficit of the largest global economy came in at nearly $750 billion for the first 9 months of the current fiscal year. The budget deficit is expected to surpass $1 trillion by the end of the fiscal year on September 30. A few hours before Powell's testimony, the US dollar index climbed above 97.5. It seems to be hardly affected by his speech. Apart from better than expected US non-farm payrolls, the US dollar finds support from escalating geopolitical tensions. The US currency is able to continue its recovery against major currencies if Jerome Powell signals that the central bank might not announce a long-awaited rate cut at the nearest policy meeting. Today, the euro is extending weakness versus the US dollar. The euro-dollar pair hit a 3-week low. The pair shed 0.1% to trade at the level slightly above 1.1200. The euro was hurt by a report on dismal retail sales in Italy. Yesterday, the dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair showed modest intraday growth. The pair is trading high today on the back of the stronger greenback. The loonie gained 0.25% and settled up at 1.3123 versus its American rival. Upbeat employment data from the US posted on Friday triggered buoyant demand for the US dollar that is still going on. Tomorrow, the Bank of Canada is due to announce its policy update and forward guidance. Meanwhile, investors believe that Canada's regulator is unlikely to change monetary policy, putting interest rates on hold. Follow developments on global financial markets with us on InstaTV. See you back tomorrow.